The year was 2012. I was in school and Android was becoming the next big thing. Me being the crazy nerd I was, I decided I need to get an Android phone. Unfortunately, I was broke. I ended up getting a phone that cost about 15,000 rupees. And that phone was just garbage. It had a single core 600 MHz processor, 512 MB of RAM, and a total of 150 MB of internal storage. It was a nightmare. Now, for just a little bit more price, you can get a phone that has a bezel-less display, a decent Snapdragon 430 processor, 3 GB of RAM, and a dual camera setup. I mean, it's amazing how far we have come. The new phone I'm talking about is the Y7 Prime. I'm still broke by the way, but let's check out this phone. The main feature of this phone are two things, the bezel-less display and a dual camera setup. Let's talk about the camera. In this price, you usually get garbage cameras, but in this phone, the cameras are pretty good. So far, I have really liked the cameras in this phone. They are not perfect, but for the price, they are actually pretty good. The display is a 5.9 inches LCD panel. Even though it's a 720p panel, I do really like it. The colors look great and overall it's pretty saturated. Overall the phone does feel like a really good phone. The back is made up of plastic and the sides have a chromium finish. It's not the best, most premium budget smartphone ever, but it does feel solid. And for the price, it's really good. It even has all those features that you wouldn't expect from a budget smartphone, like Face Unlock and Android Oreo. As far as first impressions go, I am liking the phone. At this price, what you are getting is a pretty solid phone. Like if you are looking to buy your first Android phone, or if you are a student like me, who is broke 99% of the times, then maybe for you, this could be a fantastic phone. Going back to when I was getting my first Android phone, if at that time, something like this was available, I'd be pretty freaking happy.